A lot of developers are having issue with Next.js system, and here's why. I found out that the transport stream, the thread stream, and other packages cannot be found in Next.js system Turbopack. So I ran my project in Turbopack, it didn't work. I tried building with Webpack, and actually it worked. But I didn't want to, go back to using Webpack after I finally figured out how fast Turbopack is. So I tried to resolve this issue. Scrolling through the comments, I realized people were able to solve this using the Next server external packages, and it worked for a lot of people. However, some other people couldn't resolve using this particular comment. Now, one thing I figured out is it wasn't really my fault. It wasn't really from my packages. It was from the node models that I had. So I had to figure out a way to resolve this. And one of the ways I figured out how to resolve this is reverting back to Next.js system.0.1, which helped me resolve this issue temporarily. Now, here is the sample of the build I was getting. So you could realize I was getting end of line and end of file and some other issues relating to not being able to find a thread stream, and scrolling down you could see why it's not running and some other packages which I haven't heard of before. So one way to do this is to just go back to your project package.json and edit the Next.js config to Next.js version 16.0.1, which will help you resolve this error. And maybe if you're still having the same issue, maybe the changes hasn't really reflected yet. So what you can do is remove your node packages by just running rm node models, and you can remove the whole node models, or you can do the same with the Nest folder. So this can help you. And also, just to cut my packages, and you could see the version I'm running for Next.js system is 0.03, which is the one failing currently. However, if I revert this back to 0.01, it will actually work. So we can just give this a try, right? Yes, so this is my project, and I'm going to revert the Next.js system back to Next.js Next.js system.1 0.1, and you can just remove the node models first. Okay, it worked. Now we remove the Nest folder pretty fast, and now we just have to install. So you can use npm install or maybe pnpm install. I actually abbreviated mine to pn to make things simpler. Alright, so now that we have successfully installed the packages, we are just going to run build and make sure everything is running. So as you can see, it's compiling successfully and it's now running the TypeScript. So reverting back actually solved this.